Narcissistic personality traits have strong neurological and hereditary roots, and a lot of their behavior is influenced by faulty brain development. And these are the brain regions involved in narcissistic personality. The medial prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for self-reflection, emotional regulation, and keeping our egos balanced, tend to be underactive in people with narcissistic traits. And that's why their self-esteem can be incredibly fragile, and even small criticism or pushback feels like a massive threat, and their emotional reactions can be explosive because this region struggles to regulate emotions the way that a healthy adult brain does. Then there's the anterior insula. This region helps us feel and connect to other people's emotional states. This is the seed of emotional empathy. And in narcissistic personality disorder, this area is consistently less active, which explains their difficulty tuning into others' emotions. Their reward system, especially the ventral stratum, is wired to crave admiration, attention, and control. And validation hits like a dopamine surge. So they become dependent on external approval to feel stable. And the connection between the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, and the prefrontal cortex, which normally helps regulate emotional reactions, is unstable. So when they feel shame, rejection, or humiliation, they can have intense and immediate and harmful emotional reactions without concern for how that impacts others. And these neurological patterns don't excuse harmful behavior, but they do explain why change is difficult and why most people with narcissistic personality traits don't see that they have a problem, because their inner world is driven by fear and emotional instability. And their reactions come from a childlike, self-protective state. So beneath the confidence and the charm, there's a brain that's constantly fighting for control, and that's hypersensitive to threat, hungry for validation, and struggling to truly connect.